Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Kausar with you to share with you a trick of downloading videos from Facebook. Most of the users want to download their most favorite content from Facebook, but most often they fail to download. That's why today I will show you how to download videos from Facebook without using any type of softwares or applications. So let's start.
Firstly, open any of your browser. Now you have to visit a website named savefrom.net. I am spelling the website again: www.savefrom.net. savefrom.net. Now press on go and wait. Now you have to go back to Facebook again. Now suppose I am going to download this video.
Christmas was not celebrated
copy the URL of the
in the
video
Christian world
now I am copying the
until more than 300.
Now copy link and again you have to go back to savefrom.net. Now you have to paste the copied URL on this box and now paste the URL of the video you copied from Facebook. Now click on this scatter sign and wait for a while until the video comes. Now you can see that the video is here. Now you have to choose the video quality you want to download. Basically we want to download the best video quality, that's why we have to download MP4 HD. Click on it and wait for a while. Now you can see the download option and play now and cancel. Now click on download and go back to download page. You can see that it's downloading. By this way you can download videos from Facebook without using any type of software or application. And thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave a like and comment. Thank you very much.